Hi, my name is Stephen Lambert, and on behalf of the Sequence Financial Education team, welcome to the all-new Sequence Financial Education system, beginning with the all-important Primer series. This series is all about bringing world-class financial literacy skills and knowledge straight to your desktop in a way that is simple to understand and easy to apply. Regardless of where you are at financially, the Sequence Primer series will arm you with all the essential tools you need in order to be more discerning in your financial decision making. The need for individuals to possess higher levels of financial literacy has never been more important. Governments around the world have consistently identified the lack of financial knowledge as an enormous problem for both their populations and their economies. The recent Global Financial Literacy Survey, sponsored by Standard & Poor's, reinforces the fact that even in developed economies where there are higher levels of financial literacy, the rates rarely exceed 75%, and on average, only 52% of adults are financially literate. In some cases, the average plummets as low as 13%. And of course, the perils of financial illiteracy and lack of just plain money smarts has never been more evident than in the aftermath of the GFC. Up until now, the only choices available to the average consumer have been to spend enormous amounts of time, money and effort in obtaining this sort of knowledge. And even then, that knowledge has been of a rudimentary nature, often serving the interests of the provider as much as, if not more than, the recipient. Thankfully, there is now a smarter, more effective way. A way where you can access the type of financial insights and knowledge usually restricted to private clients of prestigious boutique financial advisors. A way where you not only are encouraged to better understand the world of money, but also a system that actually shows you how to manage in a way that allows you to diversify, expand, utilize and protect your finances. A way that allows you to not only better understand and explore your finances at a macro level, but also unravel the mystery of how you personally relate to your money at a far deeper psychological level too. And a way where the learning pathways have been specifically designed to suit the educational requirements, budget and lifestyle of a person exactly like you. Sequence Financial Education is quite simply the most comprehensive system currently available to everyday consumers, delivering a no-nonsense, no shortcuts, no trickery approach towards developing a fuller and far more global set of solutions for understanding, managing and protecting your financial assets. So let's begin the journey with the first and baseline essential Primer series of learning modules.